Well, hello. This is Dr. August Dunning. I do these nifty little beach walks about dry fasting. And I got a call from Ben Davidson up at Observer Ranch. And he asked me to remind you guys that, in April I'm going to conduct a 5-day dry fast for participants up there. And to contact Observer Ranch to get the details. And it'll be pretty fun, actually. Having me on staff, so to speak, to conduct the dry fast, explain to people what's going on as you dry fast, all the different metabolic and physiological changes as you go through a dry fast. And I think it may be the first of many. But we'll see. I was up there, back in May, I think of last year. And recently at the first viewing of the disaster movie, which will be coming out soon. People have asked me what my association is with the Observer Ranch and suspicious observers and all this sort of business, and basically it's to provide the aspect where, let's just say for a minute that there is a micronova in 2046 or thereabouts. We're not sure exactly what time it is because we don't know exactly what the last one was, but we know there was the Dryas events, which were these huge reglaciation events. So I'm here to support the idea that, get prepared. And the way to prepare is to get healthy. And the way to get healthy is to dry fast, work out, and do the suggestions in my next book, which should be out in the next month or so. So I just wanted to kind of touch base real quick and remind you guys that, I will be operating a dry fast and conducting a dry fast for participants at Observer Ranch in April. And to go to observerranch.com, the link's below, and I hope to see you there. Anyway, have a great day and think about it. Love you guys. See ya.